Week 14, ninth class. Rebellion. Tirugubatu. The Telangana rebellion spread the whole state. The Telangana rebellion spread the whole state. Run through. Amalu Dwara. The water runs through our village. Roast. Kalchu. We have to roast the peanuts. Mealies. Mokkajonnalu. We cultivate mealies in our farm. Abide. Kattuvadi. Children should abide their teachers. Custom. Acharamu. It's difficult to give up one's custom. Illusion. Brahma. Children are under the illusion that they are studying well. Transitory. Tatkalikamayna. People fight for transitory freedom. Earn. Aratapadamu. We should always earn for the permanent goals. Potential. పనిచేసే శక్తి కలిగి ఉండు. Everyone should know their potential that is hidden in them. Day 3. First one. Earning one's keep. సంపాదించడం. My friend is able to earn his keep. Obstruct. అడ్డుకోవడము. Students' habits obstruct their growth. Lawful. చట్టబద్ధమైన. We should lead a lawful life. Curtail. తగ్గించు. People should curtail their luxuries. Desire. కోరిక. My sister desires to become a doctor. Day 4. Dignity. గౌరవం. We should live with dignity. Self-respect. ఆత్మగౌరవం. We shouldn't lose our self-respect. Animate. చేతనమైన. The characters in the stories are animated by software technology. Transform. మార్పు చెందడం. We should always try to transform ourselves. Frighten. భయపడు. My friend frightened by seeing the tiger. Day 5. Bold. సాహసం గల. Our brother is very bold. Law abide. చట్టానికి లోబడి. Everyone should lead law abiding life. Attorney. న్యాయవాది. Mahatma Gandhi was an attorney. Criminal. నేరస్తుడు. The police caught the criminal. Monk. సన్యాసి. A monk gives up his worldly life. Week 14, 10th class. Plaintive. విచారకరమైన. The plaintive song touched everyone's heart. Growls. గర్జనలు. The dog growls at strangers. Tigress. పులి ఆడది. The tigress protects her cubs fiercely. Cubs. పిల్లలు. The lioness was playing with her cubs. Roam. సంచారం చేయడము. The deer roam freely in the forest. Day 2. Mate. జీవ సహచరుడు, సహచరుని. Birds often mate for life. Birds often mate for life. Dreamer, కలలు కనేవారు. He is a dreamer who imagines a better future. Wake, మేల్కొనడం. She wakes up early in the morning. Snuffle, snuffle, శ్వాసించడం. The child snuffles due to a cold. Gleaming, gleaming, మెరుస్తున్న. Her eyes were gleaming with happiness. Her eyes were gleaming with happiness. Day 3. Crashing, crashing, కూలిపోవడం, గట్టిగా ఢీకొనడం. The waves were crashing against the rocks. The waves were crashing against the rocks. Glaciers, glaciers, హిమనదులు. The glaciers are melting due to global warming. The glaciers are melting due to global warming. Wave, 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 weave, weave, W-E-A-V-E, weave, నేయడం. The woman weaves beautiful sarees. The woman weaves beautiful sarees. Clutch, clutch, గట్టిగా పట్టుకోవడము. She clutched her bag tightly. Lay, పెట్టడం, పాతడం. Birds lay eggs in their nests. Solomon, Solomon, గంభీరమైన. The judge gave a solemn warning to the accused. Mystery, mystery, రహస్యము. The mystery of the missing book was solved. Attributed, attributed, ఆపాదించబడిన. The invention is attributed to a famous scientist. Emitter, emitter, ఉద్గారకుడు. Factories are major emitters of carbon dioxide. Contaminated, కలుషితమైన. The contaminated water caused health issues. The contaminated water caused health issues. Day 5. Pollutants, pollutants, కాలుష్యకారకాలు. Air pollution, air pollutants harm the environment. Air pollutants harm the environment. Thermal, thermal, ఉష్ణ, బొగ్గు. The thermal power plant generates electricity. The thermal power plant generates electricity. Mines, mines, గనులు. Coal mines are important for energy production. Coal mines are important for energy production. Reduction, తగ్గింపు. The company focuses on the reduction of waste. Aquatic, aquatic, జల. Aquatic animals live in water bodies. Aquatic animals live in